This is how we do it.
Equinox. Saitins Limani Lafonisi. Here we are at a new beach, guys, called Calivas Beach. It's called Calivas Beach. Beach metal detecting Crete here, guys. Welcome to the hunt. Here we are in Calivas Beach, guys. Today, weather's not our friend. You see, we've got lots of waves along the beach here. It's all coming in. This is like a cove, so originally we were going to another beach area, but it was too windy, so we're just going to do a little short hunt along here. Big shout out to R. Canuck, Chiaru Ukulele, Stacey Pink Detecting, Deuce in Athens, all the boys in Athens, all the hunters, Minelab Greece, John Minelab, Vangelis Hunter, everyone that supports me. We'll give it a crack and we'll see how we go. Alright guys, on to the hunt. It's out. Let's see what it is. It's a coin. I've got €1. Ah, we're on the board, guys. €1 coin. First coin of the day. Let's see what it is. There it is. It's a coin. €1. We'll give it a wash again, huh? There it is, €1, guys. Netherlands. Target 22. €1. €1, guys. Coin. €1. Alright, €1, guys. Another coin in here, guys. Check it out. An old coin. Looks like it's can't really tell, really. I think it's a 5 drachma, guys. Yeah, it looks like a 5 drachma. Yep, 5 drachmas. Alright. Oh, 10 drachma. So it's a coin. Alright, it's just a coin, guys. 10 cent. Alright, just 10 cent, guys. It's out. It's just a coin. 10 cent. Another coin. $0.10. Just 10 cents.
Did you find something?
I find everything. I'm a beach hunter. It's out. See what it is, guys. Another coin. Oh, within a couple of coins, guys. It's 20 cents, guys. 20 cents. All right. There it is. Another coin. Very green, guys. It's like a 20 cent. There is the coin. Just 20 cent, guys. A coin here, 20 cents, guys. 20 cents. Target 24. It's a coin. 20 cents, guys. 20 cents. Alright, we'll keep going. Another target. 20. We'll dig it. It's another coin, guys. 50 cents. Alright. 50 cents. Big coin. That'll be a drachma, I think. Yeah, it's 100 drachma. See what it is. It's a sinker. There it is. It's a good sign, guys. A fishing sinker. You know, when the heavy sinkers are, there's usually gold as well. Alright, so that's a good sign, guys. We'll keep going. Check it out, guys. It's like some sort of old angel piece of old. I don't know, we'll check it out when we get home. And there it is. It's a coin. Just a coin. Alright. Looks like an old drachma. Yes, it's with the shields on it. Alright. Check out the cut. It's going all the way along this lip here. So we're going to go through and then come back on through the cut. Beautiful day, huh? Beach metal detecting Crete, guys. We're still going to hunt this little area. Alright. Hey guys, beach metal detecting Crete. We were out today with the Equinox and the 10x5 Coiltek today, 5x10. It handled the surf well, you know. I know with the 15-inch it would be very difficult to use. So I'm very happy with that. Yeah, so it was a good hunt, guys. And we'll see you next time on Beach Metal Detecting Crete. Yes, sir.
This is how we do it.